It goes right here.
We're going on a crime scene investigation. Come with us. Oh, come on. It sounds like somebody's farting when you do that.
Yeah.
Anyway, a big tree has fallen. Oh my gosh. Nah, just fooling. Like 3 feet of snow back here. Hi.
Hi. Ow, ow, ow.
Hi. Say hi to America.
Hi. Who's America?
America Ferrera. That was kind of lame, I know. Don't applaud.
So lame. I should have laughed.
Yep, should have. But you didn't. So now you're lame. You're making a mountain. That was a bomb. That was a cannonball. Oh, we forgot to make a snowman. Let's try to make a quick miniature snowman.
Okay.